When is the perfect time to start harvesting your onions? I grew these onions from an onion set that I planted here last October. They're a long day variety of a sweet yellow onion that have been getting plenty of sun here in this bed throughout the spring and summer. As soon as the soil started warming up this spring, the greens started to emerge, and I was able to harvest some spring onions. But I left the rest of them so the bulbs could fatten up and I could harvest some sweet yellow onions come summertime. Now, when checking on them a few weeks ago, I noticed that the bulbs were getting nice and fat. I also noticed that some of them started to develop scapes, and scapes are flower stalks, similar to what you get with hardneck garlic. And if you let these scapes continue to grow, you'll find that they grow super high, and there's a flower bud at the very tip. If you don't cut the scape back, which is edible by the way, you can actually let the flower grow, and from that flower will come the seeds that you can plant for next year's onions. Now, some of these onions are ready, but some of them still need some more time. But how do you know? Well, the plants will tell you. We want to make sure that these plants have exhausted all possible energy to develop nice, plump bulbs for us to eat. After that, the bulbs won't grow any larger, and the plant will tell you when all of the energy is spent. You see how this onion still has a rigid neck? That means that there's still energy that's being pushed down into the bulbs. This onion is not ready for harvest. Now this is what you want to see. Notice how the neck has flopped over. The energy has been spent by this plant. And check out the bulb. This onion is ready for harvest. To avoid injuring your onions when harvesting, gently insert your garden fork underneath the plant and push down, loosening the soil that the roots are clinging to. Once the plant seems loose enough, delicately grab the greens at the neck and pull up. Now, if you're worried about hurting the neck, you can always just completely dig it up with the fork or with a trowel. And since I'm not harvesting some of these onions just yet, I need to be a little more precise with where I'm digging. And that's it. Now your onions are harvested. Now you could take these straight to the kitchen for eating. That would be fine. But what a lot of people do, especially because we tend to grow more onions than we can eat in a single sitting, is what's called curing the onion. Now, curing is really just drying the outside of the onion. You want to make sure that you're getting a nice, dry, papery skin protecting your onion while it's in storage. In order to cure your onions, after harvesting, just sit them out in the sun for a day or two, as long as there's no rain forecast. And then after a day or two, move your onions into a dry, shaded, warm place with a good bit of airflow so they can finish curing. Leave them to cure for about 2 weeks, and you'll notice that a nice, dry, tight paper has formed around your onion bulbs to help protect them during storage. And once they're cured, you want to store them in a cool, dark place. Mild onions can store well for up to a couple of months. Pungent onions can store well for up to a year. I hope you found this helpful as the time approaches for you to start harvesting your onions. They're such an easy and delicious addition to the garden. Happy growing.